So hey guys, in this video I will tell you how you can log in another Snapchat account in your phone or how you can use multiple Snapchat accounts in your single phone. For this, first of all guys, you have to open your Snapchat application. Then friends, after this, tap on the profile option, like I am tapping on the profile option which is present in the left side of top side. Then friends, you have to tap on the settings option which is present in the right side, which is present in the top of your phone. Then guys, simply you have to scroll down your page, and after scrolling your page you will got to see a option of logout. Then friends, simply tap on logout option, like I am tapping on logout option, and simply tap on log out. So guys, after completing all these steps you will get to see a page like that. So friends, in this page you can log in another Snapchat account easily, and also you can use multiple Snapchat account. So guys, by following these steps you can use multiple Snapchat accounts. Then simply tap on switch account and you have to log in that Snapchat account which you want to log in. So guys, must subscribe our channel and like this video and must share with your friends.